Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be making wall decor using Dollar Tree items. I'll first start off with these 8 tongs that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be taking them out of the paper. And these tongs are plastic and I got them from the party section. Next, I'll be taking this foam wreath and spray painting it silver. After that's done, I will start adding my tongs to the wreath. And what I'm doing is adding 2 at a time and squeezing them down to make an imprint. After the imprint is made, I am going to take my hot glue gun and put glue on those marks and then reattach the tongs. After I'm done with both tongs, I'm going to add on 2 more going the opposite way, and I'm going to do the same thing. And now I will be going in between the tongs with more tongs. And I'll be going around the back of the wreath with the hot glue and securing the tongs. Next, I'll be taking these small spoons that I got from the Dollar Tree and I'll be adding them around the wreath. And all I'm doing is pushing it inside of the wreath, and I'm doing this to create a hole. And later on, I'm going to take the spoons back out and glue them in. And now that that part is done, I'm taking the spoons out one by one and gluing them back in. Next, I'll be taking 3 spoons and gluing them in between each gap. After that was done, I took the remainder of my spoons and glued them on top of each tongue. I had 4 more spoons left, so I decided to add them to every other tongue. After that was finished, I got Mod Podge and these glitter rocks that I had, or crushed mirror rocks that I had, and I'm going to add this. And after I'm done adding the crushed mirror, I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to add a mirror that I got from the Dollar Tree on the back of it. And now that it's dry, I'm going to flip it around and add hot glue to the back of the tongs, and I'm going to attach my mirror. And this is the mirror that I'll be using. And as you can see, it already has a hook in the back. So after it dried, I went ahead and hung it on the wall, and this is how it looked. It was pretty easy and very inexpensive to make. This would look good in a bathroom, a hallway, a bedroom, dining room, pretty much in any room. Please let me know if you like this DIY. Thank you all for watching, and please remember to like,
page
comment,
where I
and
will be
subscribe,
recreating
and hit that
fashion
notification
trends,
bell,
and
so
there'll
you're
be
alerted
music
when
on there and
post
more.
videos.
See you later, glitter babes.
I love you guys.